This is Diana of Be4STEM, and I'm so excited you can join me today. This is our first live watch party of this fall season, and today I'm going to introduce my career crew to you that I have based a series of books on and activities and lessons that I hope will help you throughout the year. And it's also adapted to standards, so I hope it'll meet your needs of teaching to your objectives also, because that's always good for us. Right now, I want to let you see my career crew. Here they are in front of me, and I'm going to introduce each one. This month, if you're watching today and you go at our website, be4stem.com, and subscribe to our monthly newsletter, you will, right on the front page of the website, if you subscribe there, then I will be sending you this activity kit, which describes the career crew members, because that's how you get started. When your kids meet our career crew members, they will at the same time be learning that there are 8 different STEM types, and I want them to know what those are so we can inspire them. If they think they relate to one, they might be wanting a future STEM career. That's my hope for each and every one of them. So let's get started. Now, here are the 4 books that they're based on. I'm going to hold them up here so you can see each one. And each one highlights a different character and part of their team. These 8 characters are part of a career crew, and they work together to solve problems. Each of the 4 stories we have so far brings about a different story, and each month I'll be highlighting these, and in successive months, these will be things that you can get as your free giveaway for watching our live watch parties. So the first one is about the whole team solving a problem about how to help Erica sell her lotion. The second one is about how to win a fun run. And everybody has fundraisers for their student-teacher organizations now, so that could help you too. And the third one is about how to help animals in the zoo clinic. I have lots of lessons on that. And the last one is about robotics technicians and how they fix all the microscopes in the lab. And so each one highlights different characters each month, and these are the characters they highlight. Meat over here is, he's a business manager, but there's other careers he can have. At the end of each book, it tells you what kind of careers these characters might be. But Meat likes to solve problems with numbers, so he's a good math guy to have on your team. The second one is Iggy. Iggy is a lab technician. He's a little dusty because he likes to work on things, hold things, climb under them, see how they work, and then try to figure out how to fix them. Ivan is a robotics engineer and much more, because he works in a lab with some aeronautical technicians, and they work on problems with drones and space vehicles and how to create new robotic tools for us all the time. Padma is a materials engineer, or a materials scientist, we might call them. And she uses lab tools like a microscope and other tools that I'll show you in the months where she's highlighted, on how to look very closely at materials and see how they work and what we might create new things for with them. Erica is also a materials scientist, and she likes to solve problems and use the right material to solve a problem. So these guys all enjoy working together, and fun and exciting problems too, like how to create the best pet home for your pet at home, or how to help zoo animals have the best habitat. Maya is a builder, or she could be a plumber or an electrician and suit the needs to solve problems in your environment. Donald is a designer, and he's an entrepreneur. That means he likes to create new products that might help us, and invent new things for society. So he's busy in the lab most of the time and writing research papers. He likes to write. And Sasha is our zoo manager, or vet technician, And her character always tries to see how she can help animals and humans in the environment too. So each month I'm going to highlight a specific character after this month, and next month we'll be talking about water, and the team will measure, and I will bring you the actual activity that goes with that month and demonstrate it to you in those months. But today I want to make sure I remind you to go on our website, Be4STEM.com, and as soon as you subscribe, we'll be sending you this activity, which gives you each of the characters and the definition of their personality or their STEM type. This packet includes all the setups and cutouts in full color, and I'll send it to you electronically, and then if you want to send me an address, I can certainly send you a hard copy as well. If you print them out on hard paper, then you'll be able to create the cutouts. One sheet with these makes the stand-ups that, as you can see, hold them up well, and your class can even act out their own stories they create. But they can also do that with the smaller ones that are really good when they're glued onto popsicle sticks, as you see here. And they can each play a different character as they work on solving the problem they have to solve. So on each sheet, the definition of their STEM type and what that personality would be is on each character there too. So here is the activity that goes with this. This would be more of a STEAM activity, and then this is how the students could cut out the characters and match them with the shape on the worksheet. So all of this comes free to you for subscribing to our website, so you'll have access to the lessons that I'm going to post. This is also on our website, so you can see what lesson and what topic we're going to do each month and which character is going to be highlighted. Amit and Erica work together next month. So you've met them today. Amit is our mathematician, so be working on your math skills because we're going to have to count and a little bit of multiply next month to solve the first problem we have with them. But again, here we're at the end of our first live watch party, so I want to make sure that you get all of these places where you can find what we're going to do each month, and I'll advertise our live watch party each month so you won't miss it. And today all you have to do to get the first month's giveaway is go on our website and sign up for this Career Crew activity packet and subscribe and get our newsletters and all our information about our products that we have for you. It was great talking with you. Have a great week.